I hope you all are doing wonderful. Well, for this video, it's kind of an abrupt starting, not really a intro that I could shoot because it's the second part of the video that I shared last week, and this is the second part of apartment hunting in Omaha, and you'll see about 4 or 5 videos in this one. I just wanted to come here really quickly and say thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for staying tuned, and enjoy the video. We are back in Omaha, day 3, and we are taking at least one tour today, and after that we also have calls from 2 more places if that turns out, but I'll show you this apartment. One quick little thing about this area: leading up to this area from Lincoln, we really liked how the roads were. We liked how the community is looking like. There are houses, like real houses where people live around, which seems beautiful. There is a strip mall right here. I can see some Supercut, and I can see other JCPenney store and other things. And this community is looking beautiful because there is a lake right on the property, which I am absolutely in love with because the current place where we live at also has a lake. And in this one, we are looking at a 1 bedroom apartment because that's the only one that they have right now open. But for our move-in, they'll have a 2 bedroom apartment. In this one, we are going because we want to see the amenities like the washer and dryer, because they said that it's all around the apartments. It is standard, so it will give us a vibe. And it was a good decision because we are able to see how the buildings look like. See, look at that, it's beautiful. So let's go and take the tour. So, kitchen with the faucet, the one that detaches. Really, I mean, I'm a fan of it because in my current apartment it's there. I like the wood for the cabinets. That's the living area for 1 bedroom. That's good. Let's see the balcony. I can see the balcony. Hi Piyush.
Hello.
This is the balcony. Okay, not bad. And that's the lake I was telling you about. Can you see? So that's good. Let's see. I like how lit this is because sometimes in apartments they don't have good lighting, but this one looks just enough lit, and we can add of course more lighting. This is the master bedroom with the balcony view there, and from there I think we can see lake too. Yep, a little bit, but we can. This is the bathroom, full bathroom with the bathtub. Seems good, doesn't it? Hi. Fun fact, we have been to Omaha only once before, so it's new to us, this place as a whole. We're back to the kitchen. This is the laundry room, so let's see. Not really room, but yeah, cabinet. That's the furnace. It's a full size. So yeah, and they said that in all the apartments the amenities are standard, so that's good to know. Okay, so this is another apartment that we are looking at. I feel like I have showed you like 1,000 apartments by now, but I think this video is going to be a good source for the people who are trying to find an apartment in Omaha. So this is as soon as you enter, this is the closet where you can put your footwear and your coats for the winters. Then on the left here you would find the kitchen. We actually kind of grew onto this one. We had already seen like what are the things around. I'll tell you the pros and cons that we found, but I like this kitchen. Those dark wood, I'm not an expert what kind of wood are those, but the dark accent, I really like it. These are smooth. So this is something that would be kind of a plus when our families visit from India, because usually we find the induction stove over here, and that's not very Indian cooking friendly, to be honest. Kitchen from there. This is the living space. It's a good area. And then there is this balcony. One thing that we found here, which is pretty cool, is the size of the balcony is decent, but they have this storage here on the balcony. So, and you can lock it. Look at this. This is a pretty good storage place. You can put your, seasonal things here. So that was a good plus that we found only in this apartment so far. Then from here we are on to, this is the master bedroom. Seems pretty good size. And then here is the bathroom. This one is the walk-in shower, which we don't mind as long as there is one full bath with the tub. So I like that they have this extra kind of slab coming on, so we can have our toothbrushes and all lifted, so they are not going into the water over here. That seems pretty good to me. This is the walk-in closet. Let me turn on the light. Pretty good, huh? Let's move on to the next room. And then this is, huge. Who needs this big bathroom? Maybe when we start living here, we might feel a bit spoiled, but this is our bathtub. And then here you can see me. Hi. Huge, isn't it? And there is washer and dryer over here, full size. Look at that. Cool. Yeah, and this is the second room, which is also big, and in this one the closet is even bigger. Look at this. This apartment can have its own tour. Like, it's a 5-minute video already. So yeah, that's that. Let me just tell you a few pros and cons of this one. Okay, so as I told you, we kind of grew on this one after seeing the stories in the balcony, and I just, while showing you the apartment, I found 2 small closets too, so which is pretty good. The downsides that we saw is there are multiple buildings with the same number on it. So when the packages will be delivered, I think the delivery guy might be a bit confused. And the second thing is, this community is still being built, so there is a lot of construction going on. It's right on the highway, so that's a pretty good deal, but I think that's one of the big con at this moment, that this community is being built right now. You can see construction going on. But other than that, I don't think we found any other con. We see people living, because we can see balconies decorated, people still have their lights, beautiful warm lights out there. So yeah, right?
Yep, it's a good apartment.
It's a good apartment, and it's also open concept for the kitchen, which I am looking forward to. If I can find open concept, that would be cool. So yeah, let's see what happens. I feel like this video is going to be a huge one. Let's see. Okay, I promise this is the last one. So as soon as we enter, this is the shoe and coat closet. Here I found the difference is that these are like the thin iron doors instead of classic wood ones. But this is huge. This living space is huge. So you can literally play around with whatever you want in this one. And then this is the kitchen. Can you see him working in? And then this is the actual apartment that will be available. So yeah, I mean, I'm not a fan of the white stove, but it is what it is. And white appliances in general. Then this is the pantry for kitchen. Pretty good. Again, the big bathroom. Bathtub. Oh, This is I think this apartment in the last one I showed are sister properties because I'm finding hidden storage spaces. This is one of the rooms, pretty big. Okay, that's one of the closets, and yeah, again it seems very similar to the last one. Even the lighting is same. Then for the next one, this is the washer and dryer. Seems this is a big space for washing and drying, which I appreciate because my current apartment, not last, also has the same. This is the furnished place, and this is the master bedroom. Pretty big. I like that there is a tree right there, especially in the spring and winter. It will be beautiful view. And then this is the walk-in closet. And this is the bathroom, exactly the same as the last one, other than the counters, walk-in shower. Okay, so to be honest, we are not taking this apartment. This is already out of our list. The reason being, this is a smoking building, which is a deal breaker for us. They know before we came into the building, we told them that we won't be taking on a smoking building, but they told us that there might be something coming up which will be in a non-smoking building, so that will be cool. The apartment itself is good. The appliances are wide, which I'm not a big fan of, but that's okay. I think I can take that. So yeah, that's that. But other than that, we have seen 9 or 10 apartments. The reason is the next time we come to Omaha, we will be moving here, and we did that whole research in just 2 days. We saw all these apartments in 2 days because there is not much of traffic here, which is a good thing. In big cities like Chicago, New York, you might not be able to do it that soon. You might see like 2 or 3 apartments in a day. But yeah, so that's that. We have not decided yet which apartment do we want to move in. We do have top 3 or top 4, which we'll be discussing about what are the pros and cons depending on the location, the amenities, and of course the pricing range. The range that we were looking for was around $1,300, less than that, but we have gone and seen one apartment that was above that range, just because we wanted to see if there is a huge difference in the terms of how the vibe is, how the amenities are, what the place looks like. So yeah, that's that, and we will let you know when we move and where we move, hopefully very soon. And so that's that. I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.